Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and I wanted to give you an update on the planter that I did, the Crescent planter, the self-watering planter. So it's been in the greenhouse now for probably about a month and a half or so. So I wanted to show you the progress and how it's looking. All right, so here it is. You can see that it's filled out really nicely. Let's go and take a closer look at the plants, and I'll tell you what we've got in here just as kind of a recap. So we have this is a geranium. Beautiful geranium, and all the white that you're seeing in this pot, this is the mini Vista white super tunia, and that definitely is really monopolizing this container. So I'll have to go back and see how many I planted in here, but definitely I know I don't need to do that many because this white is just really taking over the look here. I think I would have preferred having more of the pink and purple look. So definitely we'll have to scale back on the amount of white we're using in the container. The purple that you're seeing, that is the Super Bells Grape Punch. And that is really pretty. The color combination I love, the pink, the purple, and the white. I just wish I would have done a little bit more of the purple and a lot less of the white. Also, we have some of the Euphorbia Diamond Mountain in here. That's the little white flower, and that's just kind of a little sprinkle of color, and that was kind of the look I was going for with that Euphorbia, was to just have a little sprinkle of white here and there. Although again, the Mini Vista white has kind of really taken over this planter so that the Euphorbia even is a little bit hard to see. So overall, I mean, this planter has done fabulous and has really filled out beautifully. Just wish the colors were maybe a little bit different, meaning more purple, less white. But again, when you're planting things up, it's kind of a trial and error. You don't know exactly what the plants are going to do. You have a vision for them, and sometimes the vision is actually exactly as you pictured it, and other times not so much. So overall, I am very pleased with this container. It's filled out beautifully, lots of color. So I would say this is a win, and I look forward to, planting up the rest of my containers, but I really wanted to give this one a jump start so that we could show you the progress over the springtime here from just planting to a nice full-grown container. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings.